Hey everyone, need to update the name people see when they get an email from you in Zoho Mail? Whether you're rebranding or just fixing a typo, changing your outgoing display name is quick and easy. Today, I'm walking you through the full 2026 guide to updating your Zoho Mail identity. Let's jump into the settings. First, log in to your Zoho Mail account. Look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard and click it. This opens up your configuration menu where you can manage everything from your signature to your account aliases. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Send Mail As or Manage From Address. Click on this option. This is the specific area where Zoho stores the display names for your primary email and any aliases you might have connected. You'll see a list of your email addresses. Find the one you want to change and hover over it to see the Edit option. Here, you can type in your new name, whether that's your full name, a business name, or a department like Support Team. This is exactly what will appear in the From field of your recipient's inbox. After typing your new name, make sure to click the Update or Save button. Zoho will instantly apply this change to all future outgoing emails. You can also repeat this step for any other aliases or secondary email addresses listed in this menu to keep your branding consistent. To verify it worked, click on New Mail to compose a draft. Check the From drop-down menu at the top of the composer. You should see your updated name appearing right next to your email address. If it looks correct, you're all set. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.